everybody, this is Chip with Auto House in Hiram. I have a 2010 Toyota Corolla that I wanted to tell you about. This is has the 1.8 liter engine in it, automatic transmission. This vehicle has a clean Carfax with 0 accidents reported. Great Toyota quality, low maintenance, automatic transmission. It does have an auxiliary port. And the best thing about this car, 2010, it's only got 67,000 miles on it. Super clean in the back seat. You can view this car on our website at Autohouse.US. Feel free to give me a call at 678-384-1862. Again, my name is Chip, and right there is our website, Autohouse.US. Hope to talk to you soon.